In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom object in Hubspot. Hubspot is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business's needs, but sometimes you might find yourself needing to declutter or reorganize. Deleting a custom object is one way to do this. In this step-by-step guide, I'll walk you through the entire process to ensure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. To start, make your way to the Hubspot homepage. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to hubspot.com. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button, which should be prominently visible on the homepage. Click on it, and this will take you to the HubSpot login page. Enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. After successfully signing in, you'll find yourself at your HubSpot home. From here, the next move is to locate the Settings section. Typically, you'll find this in the upper right corner of the screen. It looks like a little gear icon. Click on this icon to access your settings. Inside the settings, you're going to look for a tab or menu item labeled Objects. This section is vital for the next steps. Once you're within the Objects section, you'll find different options. What you want to do here is select Custom Objects. This part of HubSpot gives you access to all the custom objects that have been set up within your account. Now, it's critical at this point to ensure you select the specific custom object you intend to delete. Be mindful, as deleting a custom object is permanent, and once it's gone, it's irretrievable. Double check that you've selected the right one before moving further. After selecting the custom object for deletion, you should see options related to its management and configuration. Look for the delete option. HubSpot wants to make sure you're absolutely certain about this action, so there will usually be a confirmation step. It might pop up a dialog asking you to confirm that you really do want to delete the custom object. Take a moment to make sure you're not about to delete something accidentally. Confirm your action when you're ready. The deletion should take effect immediately, but I would recommend refreshing your page or checking the custom objects section again to ensure the object has been deleted correctly. And that's it, you've successfully deleted a custom object in HubSpot. This can help keep your system organized and free of clutter, ensuring that your data is always up to date and relevant. Remember, it's always a good idea to review your custom objects regularly to ensure you're not keeping any unnecessary data. Regularly auditing your data ensures your business processes remain efficient and productive. Thanks for joining me today, and if you have any more questions about HubSpot, feel free to reach out or check out our other guides.